Now we'll start off with creating WordPress. Okay, just type in wordpress.com. Okay, it's taken me directly because I've already created a dummy. You all got wordpress.com. Hit on get started. Yeah, for some of you it may directly show login. When you log in, you will have to log in, and again you have to particular yeah. Okay. No, however, whether get started or this one, you have to log in, and then again you have to go to that inbox and say, yeah, click on the link or something. Enter all the required fields. Now you can choose your domain name.
Ma'am?
Different plans. Yeah?
I have logged in. Now where do I go?
One second.
We get started and see plans.
Yeah, okay. Click on see plan. All of y'all have got it? See plan. So right now you'll be creating free version.
So what do I do now?
See the free version, the basic. So click on the free version.
Ma'am, here, this is the screen what I got. One second. See, this is the screen what I got.
Have you all able to get it? Are you all able to get it?
Yes, let's create a site and it's asking questions like what would you like to name your site?
Yeah, you need to input all of that. What do you want to name your site? Whether you want to go by your own name. You have a site, so it's fine. Ah, then how will it identify you? You have a WordPress free version 1.
Yeah.
What do you write on that?
Just doing tasks. Like I don't update.
Okay. It's there and it's existing.
So far only 4.
Yeah. And what is it all about?
People's thoughts.
Creating? I'll come there. Select the free version 1 because
While giving that website name, will that .wordpress.com will be by default added to the website name?
yeah, free version. See, they are giving you a platform. Huh? See, they are somewhere.
WordPress.com is okay, but see now what happened. I've used Millennium Home somewhere, so that's coming now. I'm saying this, these are 2 different things. Ideas for blogging also.
Okay, so this is your blog name. This is your. Okay, do you all get it? So we are done with constructing the site. And if you all want to log in, how do you all log in? Remember the site name /WP-admin. And then enter your password and you're good to go. Starting off with writing. Admin. I'll write it down. Okay. your name,
dots, have the same.
the name of your website. Now mine will be @emotions.com/WP-admin. It may, the slash sometimes is, if it doesn't work with the slash, remove it else. Either way. If not this, okay. This is where you all can access the back end of your website, and then you all can start and explore more on the new version.
You can access both the version of the editor by going there on that three dots up top.
Here, okay.
Yeah, now see. This, not those three.
Then those are the only 3 dots I can see.
The toolbar. Yeah, toolbar. No HTML. Yeah.
There, come no.
Right below the HTML, 3 dots.
I get nervous when people tell me that they are not able to find it. Where?
You just have to go to learn.
Okay.
Nice music.
Here's the VMN.
Try the
I don't want it.
No, you can. It's not working. Yeah. Now it came. See? Now
Okay.
it came, right? This is what they are.
This is what they are getting. Yeah, okay.
Oh, internet.
Yeah.
Nice music, man.
And now okay. 3 dots.
Okay,
Now
okay.
you can.
Okay. Now switch it.
It will go back to our previous.
So this is under the HTML 3 dots. Yeah.
Apparently, they are wrong in gender and tools.
Create a new one then. Now that you know to build it, you can create a new one, write and publish. Okay. Then there's something as post setting. Okay. Look at this. The status I spoke about scheduling posts and publishing right away.
Yeah.
So you write this, but you don't want to publish it right now. You can have a scheduled date. Okay. Time. Means right now when I hit publish, it goes on live. If I want it, say 1 hour from now, if I want it tomorrow, I choose accordingly.
Yeah, we can,
Under the
can you
status
write,
thing.
Some course over here, course right?
See, minimum, what is advised is minimum a 300 word article or a blog. Minimum 300. Okay, clear with this? So now I want you all the assignment that you all have done. So what you all can do is explore the site over the week a little more, and whatever you all have, you all can publish it here with a nice suitable featured image. We're fine. No, not necessary. Okay.
Go to your Facebook business page and move to your WordPress blog. What if they are not related?
Create another Facebook related.
Okay.